Ritch Robin here. I'm out here in the shop on my plasma table. CNC Lincoln Torchmate 5x10. Running the Lincoln Flex Cut 80. Let me turn around here, you can see. There's my control board, computer, whatever you want to call it, panel. And over here I've got it running, cutting the sign out for a customer. We're shipping this to California. We're going to be attaching the sign to their Gator Pit pellet smoker, pellet grill, pellet cooker, whatever people want to call them. I call them pellet smokers. And I don't know how much you can see on that, but it's cutting out basically to my son, blankety blank, relax and enjoy, love, mom and dad. It is a gift, obviously, from mom and dad to their son. So this is what I'm doing in the Gator Pit today. See, I'll turn it around that way, now you can see my pretty face. Welders are obviously in there welding. You can hear the banging and whatever else is going on over there. There you go. But a lot of times when you call and I don't answer the phone, or I'm out of the office and you can't get me, or tell you that I can't come to the phone right now, this is why, guys. I'm out here working my ass off in the shop with my guys. I know a lot of people think I don't know how to do all this stuff, that I just bought the company and I pay people to do what we do, and that is not the case, guys. I started this company from ground zero with nothing, not even a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out of, and got it to where it is now, known worldwide for our reputation in custom designs and builds. And we're still continuing to grow, and I'm still out here in my shop working. Could I hire somebody to do this right here? Yeah, I could, but that wouldn't be any fun for me, would it? No, I enjoy this shit, guys. I enjoy it. I enjoy the designs. Kurt Drought, the guy that does my website, also did the file on this as well. He's behind the designs on the CAD files, and I'm the one that's running this table, cutting everything, and also training some of my guys as well to run this, because I may not be here some days and they need to cut something. They do have some basic knowledge and drawings already in this computer over here to be able to cut parts that they need for cookers. Anyway, this is my new toy, so to speak, equipment in my shop. We got this a few months back. If you follow me on social media, we got this a few months back, but we are really just now getting it up and running, and really putting a lot of time in utilizing it for parts in our cookers and stuff like I'm doing now for this lady and her husband, for their son, personalizing these cookers even further and doing it in-house, whereas before we used to outsource it to another company. And we still do some outsourcing because there are some things that we just can't do in the shop. Even with this high dollar fancy equipment, there's still some customizations on our Gator Pits that we just don't have the means to do in the shop, nor the justification to go spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on something like that to do one or two things a month for a customer that's asking for stuff that we just don't have the ability to do in-house. Anyway, I'm rambling right now, but let me get over here at my machine. It looks like it may be done, and I'll see you guys later.